So this is how I bought the car. Paid $100 for it. The car drove by on the back of that rollback truck on the way to the scrapper. The previous owner that had wrecked it out at the track decided to just cut his losses. So we pulled all the drivetrain out of it, pulled the suspension, stripped it all the way down to nothing, pulled the electrical out, and scrapped the body. So when the scrapper came and dropped the car off, I said, "Where's everything else at?" So he gave me the phone number to the guys. I called him up. I gave him $11,000 for the rest of the drivetrain. The scrapper had cut the gas cap out of the body, so I had to pay him $300 to get the gas cap and the chunk of body back. At this point, I was in the car $11,400. So I started assembling it, put all the suspension back in the car. Then we took it up to my dad's place. He was gonna cut all the busted, when the car was in an accident, all the rear subframe was all twisted, bent up. So we just cut it all out, started from scratch. It busted that section of body out. We didn't have all the pieces of fiberglass, so we kind of had to guess what it was gonna look like. But we were able to weld in all brand new rear subframe, get the body, I would say 80%. And then I met a guy and he needed a house built. I own a construction company, so we struck a deal to trade the rest of the restoration for the car to be finished. Well, things don't always go the way you want. We ended up having a falling out. He got his house and I got some body work. Well, we're getting the Daytona ready. Picked up a new ignition system. We get it all wired up. Long and short of it, we were back kind of starting over, putting the car back together. So here we're fixing the front frame where it had gotten an accident. That nose horn was bent in to where the front end, the lines wouldn't line up right. So we had to heat it up and bend it out. This was an interesting build / restoration because there's no blueprints or, hey, this is what you need to do. You have to kind of be able to think for yourself. So this is all the brand new subframe that we welded up and put in there. It was just easier, instead of trying to repair the old stuff, to just cut it all out and start over brand new. So as they've been fixing all the aluminum in the back of the Daytona, I've been hanging insulation and drywall, trying to get the Race Exotic shop up and running. There's another video that I'll have a link to if you want to watch the video of that. And here we're placing the new aluminum sheet metal in the back. We had to silicone it down and the noise reduction mat down. Had to cut the battery box out. We're gonna put carpet in it next, but it's coming together. Thanks for watching, and check out Woyshnis Garage for some more on it.